Hey fam, we're sailing on an epic 5-day, 4-night cruise aboard Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady, leaving from Miami and hitting Key West and the Bahamas. Come along as we explore the ship, soak up sun, and show you what this adults-only adventure is all about. But before setting sail, we spend a night in Miami at CitizenM Hotel to kick off the vibes. We made it to Miami safely. Now we're about to go down and get our baggage and we're gonna get our transportation to the hotel. We just made it to our room at CitizenM Miami, and it's definitely a vibe. The moment you walk in, you notice how sleek and modern everything is. We took a quick tour, literally, because the rooms are super compact, but they packed in everything you need. There's a huge king-size bed that takes center stage, a sink place outside the bathroom, and a rainfall shower tucked into a stylish, space-saving setup. Plus, everything from the lights to the blinds is controlled by a tablet. It's smart, cozy, and perfect for a quick stay before we head out on our cruise. I'm gonna let her get that work in tonight, because I'll be pulling the bags for the rest of the trip.
Yes, you will. Ahoy, mate.
After getting settled in, we headed downstairs to grab a bite to eat. We started off with some refreshing mocktails, which were the perfect way to ease into the evening. For food, we shared a mix of small plates and comfort bites. Crispy rosemary fries, flavorful chicken dumplings, a chicken sandwich, and some sweet plantains that hit the spot. It was the perfect mix of savory and satisfying. The vibe was super chill, perfect for unwinding after our day of travel. After dinner, we kicked back, relaxed, and called it a night, wrapping up day one and getting ready to cruise. Day two started bright and early. We headed up to the rooftop gym to squeeze in a quick workout before cruise check-in. The gym was impressive for a hotel setup, state-of-the-art equipment, a solid selection of free weights, Peloton bikes, and modern treadmills. We knocked out a few miles on the treadmills and then did some light lifting, all while taking in the beautiful rooftop views of Miami. After finishing up, we headed back to our room, got cleaned up a bit, packed our bags, and then we headed down to the hotel lobby to drop our bags off at the front desk to hold while we went to get something to eat. As we left the lobby, we took a short stroll through the heart of downtown Miami, just soaking in the city vibes. A few blocks in, we stumbled across a cozy little spot called Miam Cafe. Super convenient and exactly what we needed for a quick, tasty breakfast before heading to the port.
Everything looks crazy.
And I got the French toast. Thank you. As she's excited. But actually, we're about to be going to share.
What's in there? I was going to say the post office, but that's not the post office.
And where? After finishing breakfast, we headed back to the hotel, grabbed our bags, called an Uber, and headed to the ship. Cruise day was officially here, and we were ready for it. Yeah, so we've been at it for a while.
Boss lady doing a good job. Take a lot to put up with us now.
Front way says ahoy. No, up there. This is 5. I'll try to factor in your they already got something on their wrist. Hey, thank you. Hey, good afternoon. Okay. Going through security now. Let's see. That's bar tag. Oh.
All the arrival times. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your
Ran their diaper, need some change. Go to the room immediately. No guessing about that joint. Oh man.
Absolutely, we are finally here.
I got a onesie on.
Where's the spot?
So what floor are we on now?
I think this is 5. The rest is
Hello, ahoy. Once we boarded the Valiant Lady, we took a few minutes to soak in the ocean views before heading up to our cabin. This was our second sailing with Virgin Voyages, and this time we upgraded to the XL Sea Terrace, and let me tell you, it was worth it. Walking in, we were greeted by a super spacious layout, a comfy king-size bed, and of course the signature balcony hammock that's perfect for lounging with a view. Bathroom setup is next level 2, walk-in style with a separate rainfall shower and private toilet area. After storing our bags and doing a quick refresh, we headed down to complete the muster station drill, then explored a bit of the ship. We even swung by the manor to catch a peek at the glowing lights before heading up to the galley to grab a bite to eat and officially kicking off our cruise.
This is it.
So they have shows and different things that go on in the manor. Yes, it's a little rock going on.
So, babe, how did you enjoy your food? What did you order? What did you get?
I ordered a chicken Caesar salad, and I asked for egg white because I'm trying to cut down on that yolk. And guess what I got? Double yolk and a whole bunch of Caesar dressing. But it worked out. Had to mix it up a lot. Just the end result. So you can see I pretty much crushed it. And I have the shrimp tempura, which is pretty good. A little tangy. I'm not sure if it's the seaweed or what exactly. But you know what? I'm gonna eat it anyway. Just as we finished up lunch, we received a notification through the Virgin Voyages app asking us to head down to deck 4. Apparently there was an issue with something in a piece of her luggage. Not exactly how we planned to start the cruise, but hey, let's see what's going on. Let's listen in.
Right here?
Oh, right here.
Okay.
Thank you. So apparently she has something in her luggage that is prohibited, so we have to go down here to pick it up because it hasn't made it. And that's her luggage right there.
It says I
have something prohibited in my luggage? It's this.
Oh, you have a section code.
Oh, extension cord.
Yeah.
I don't have an extension cord.
It's coming from the local security, the terminal, when they screen the luggage.
Extension cord.
Okay, let me have a look on the.
Oh, sure.
The extra.
We can open it too.
You can open it.
See that face right there? That's not a happy face. Says she has extension cord in there. Do you have a power strip for your phone? For your...
Oh, you know what it is? I can tell you what it is. It's the protector that goes in all my luggage. Oh my lord.
No, you talking about the power strip?
Yeah, that's the only thing it could be.
Just a power strip.
Knock you out in 2 seconds.
We're about to get locked up, y'all.
No, please don't do that.
Alright, so I think we got the guilty party. We're gonna
Yes.
that is it.
This extension cord. This is.
Need a receipt. A little smuggler. Look at that face. Guilty. 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 I'm about to get us kicked off the ship. After our little run-in with crew security, we headed back to the room to freshen up and change. Then it was off to our first mates gathering, where we connected with our sales rep and other travel advisors. We had an absolutely amazing time. Great vibes, great combos and laughs, and after that, we made our way to dinner at the Wake, Virgin Voyages' signature fine dining spot. Hello. Dinner at the Wake was a solid experience. The dim lighting and ocean view set the perfect mood. We started with warm bread, then dug into a crisp wedge salad. For our main entrees, we had shrimp and grits and a nicely seared flank steak. After dessert, we headed up to our room to gear up for the Virgin Voyages pajama party. But we were so full and tired afterward, we skipped the pajama party and had our own little room party instead. Here's a quick recap of our Wake experience. All right, everyone. So we finished up day one and we're getting ready to crash because we're extremely tired, but wanted to just come on and tell you about our experience at the Wake. So that's Virgin Voyages fine dining. So Nikki, what did you order? Do you remember?
Good question. I did. I ordered the New York strip and the shrimp and grits. And the shrimp and grits was different. It was a red-based sauce, kind of looked like a polenta type grit. It was really good. It was just really different, but it was excellent. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And along with the wedge salad was really cute. 2 little small wedgies. Wedgies. But they were really cute, so we were able to split those. But I thought the food was really good. Day one, I think it was excellent.
And I ordered the flank steak, extremely tender, and ordered was it double or triple baked potato?
Double baked potatoes.
So double baked potatoes. So I had to leave those alone because they had a lot of cheese. All right, so the cheese doesn't agree with me. So if I'd have ate that, it'd have been a double bathroom visit for me. So I had to definitely leave that alone and left that to Nikki. So.
Oh, I had the cream spinach as well. That was pretty good too.
Yeah, and what you had for dessert?
Oh, my dessert was a cheesecake. I think it was a mango cheesecake, but it was in the shape of like a lemon or an orange. It was really nice. I'm sure we're going to include it in the video, but yeah, it was different. It had like this shell wrapped around it, and inside was the cheesecake, and outside was again like a candied orange type of shell. It was very unique. Well, whoever does the recipes for Virgin is just top notch. The Michelin chefs really know what they're doing. So.
Yep. So I think the weight was, for me, 0 to 10, I give it about a 6 to 7. The food was good, but the main issue I had was it's right at the back of the ship where the motors and I guess the propellers are. So for me, the entire time, it just sounded like it was a constant drumbeat or echo chamber going on. So it was it was just loud inside, and it was hard to talk and hear. And after a while, it was a lot of vibrations on the floor, so it just kind of irritated me a bit. But again, the food was excellent. The service, again, was excellent. And my company was excellent as well. So what you rate it?
I gave it probably about a solid 7.5 to 8. For me, the vibrations didn't bother me at all. The food was on point. But I do know from previous voyage what I have coming ahead of me, and so I know some additional great food may just top the week. So that's where I'm at.
All right, so we appreciate you guys watching, and we will be back tomorrow. So we're about to hit the bed, and then we'll come back with day 3. All right, later.
Bye, fam.